And the battle over immigration at the U.S. border with Mexico continues, and one state is not waiting for Congress or the Biden administration to act. Texas has a new law that allows the state to arrest people suspected of crossing the border illegally. And as our Ed O'Keefe reports, it sets the stage for an immigration policy showdown.
From the campaign trail to the halls of Congress, the fight over security at the southern border is heating up as the clock is ticking down to get a funding bill passed that also includes aid to Israel and Ukraine.
Finding the middle ground is exceptionally hard, and both sides must accept that they will have to make concessions.
We cannot afford to get this wrong.
On Monday, Texas Republican Governor Greg Abbott signed two border bills into law. One providing $1.5 billion to build new barriers along the southern border. The other makes it a state crime to cross the border illegally, giving local law enforcement greater authority. Critics say that could lead to racial profiling.
Biden's deliberate inaction has left Texas to fend for itself.
The move comes as data obtained by CBS News shows last week the Border Patrol apprehended nearly 7,900 people each day, up from 6,000 daily in October.
We built a tremendous piece of the wall.
And as former President Donald Trump is facing criticism for how he described migrants, the Biden campaign compared it to Nazi rhetoric.
They're poisoning the blood of our country. That's what they've done. They poison mental institutions and prisons all over the world, not just in South America.
But a new CBS News poll finds a majority of GOP voters in early voting states do favor the mass deportation of undocumented immigrants.
We don't know where these people are coming from. They're exhausting our system.
In Washington, CBS News has learned the White House and bipartisan negotiators are discussing changes to immigration policy that could include expelling migrants without processing their asylum claims. The deal being worked out in Congress could also expand the detention of migrants allowed to stay in the U.S. pending a decision on their cases. But the president's walking a fine line here, as progressive members of his party, Latino lawmakers and activists are warning him not to sign off on Republican demands, or he could face suppressed support for his reelection next year, Anne Marie.
And, that's the question that I wanted to ask you about. What sort of rock and a hard place is President Biden in when it comes to negotiating some sort of immigration policy changes while having it intertwined with international aid?
I mean, they're not happy about it here at the White House, but they were the ones that proposed this back in October when he presented Congress with this massive emergency aid bill that would have provided tens of billions of dollars for Israel, for Ukraine, for Taiwan, for disaster relief, and for border security, thinking that by extending that olive branch, perhaps they'd get what they needed. Instead, it's turned into this broader policy debate that puts the president in a real bind. He doesn't like this issue. He doesn't like talking about it, doesn't like negotiating over it, and he himself has done very little of the detailed work here, leaving it to Congress to do so with the Homeland Security Secretary, the Chief of Staff, and just a handful of others. He's made some phone calls, but not deeply involved in the process so far.
All right, Ed, thank you very much.